Okay, I'm going to give you some basic tips for starting up a Fusion Page website from scratch if you don't have anything on there yet. So if you go to the high school website from the district website, you'll see your staff login. It's the same as your intranet login. You'll log yourself in, and then at the bottom left you'll see all of your options as far as your account, profile. Your page is in your Fusion Pages link. You just click on your name. Here I have a completely empty, basically, website that may come up with a few tools already. For instance, announcements, a calendar are already on here. If I want to add more, I have an option on the right for Add Fusion Tool. Here are all the options that I have available. Some basic ones to put on there would be a schedule. So if I click on schedule, I'll add it to my sidebar over here. I can click on the pencil to edit the title of the schedule and put in a different title if I want that, and submit to save it. I can add my schedule by clicking Edit Schedule, and then I bring up a word processing box where I can put in my schedule and so forth all the way through, and continue on if I wanted to do all of the hours. Save that. I can also organize my tools by grabbing the crosshair arrow and dragging them and dropping them wherever I want. If I want to move them above or below, it'll do that for me. I can edit the calendar by adding an event if I want to keep that up to date. I can get rid of any item in my sidebar by clicking the hide tool. That will move it. It will give me a little question if I want to really do this. The announcements can be used as a good tool for keeping track of weekly lesson plans, any things that you want parents to maybe see or kids to see when they get home as far as downloading or looking at documents. I can edit the title of this announcements page in the same way I did with the schedule by clicking on the pencil. So I can change this to weekly lessons, submit that, and then I can add an announcement, maybe call this Unit 1, and I can say Monday. If I wanted to add a link, say to a Word document, I could go in with the tools here and insert a link from my computer. I can import a file, an image file from my computer as well. If I want to add that, or a picture file, I want to import that into this announcement area, and then I can save it. And then it will show up here for all parents to use or students to use, and they can look at that and keep that updated. If you want to add other Fusion tools, they're over on the right side. Same process as far as editing. Certain ones have different features. Slideshows, you can add pictures. Quizzes, you can create forms for kids to fill out when they're online on your website. You can add links to different things, a file cabinet type area where you can put Word documents, PowerPoints, PDFs, things like that in it. All extras that you can play around with in your time.